Hey guys, so yan, we're officially in
Kyoto.
Kyoto! Woohoo! And guys, naglalakad na kayo pupunta sa next hotel namin. Before we go to Kyoto, mag-check-in muna kami sa bagong hotel. Ito yung hotel namin, Hotel Sanriot. See, above there, there's a sign, like the top of the building. That one. And hello guys, good morning. Ayan, so nakapag-check-in. Hindi pa check-in, so iniwan na namin yung luggage dun sa hotel namin. Sa Hotel Sanriot. It seems a very nice hotel there. Very nice, and we have free breakfast. Si Wenroy today, wala na kasi lilipad na siya ng Malaysia. Si Divila naman, tomorrow, to fly back to Malaysia. So, kami lang ni Renz after that. Kasi hanggang ano pa kami dito. In 2 days pa kami. And this IC, it's the Suica card, very helpful. 190. Khan 9. Yeah. Ito ba? Ito. Oh, you need to pressure. No, the other one. Next one. Only in Japan experience like this, like they have like a sort of like an attendant in the train. Okay guys, so meron nga silang flight attendant within the train attendant, para conductor. May mga specific cars na may special ticket kami. Nagsabi sila na, oh hindi dito. Nakalabas na kami ng last train papuntang Kyoto. So basically we're in Kyoto na. We're in Kyoto now. But just subway pa lang. Makakakit pa kami ngayon sa taas. Like good sounds at subways. Yeah, right? Yeah guys, pero nga ibon na parang effect. Hindi ko naman alam. Tuwing may lalabas sa tao sa train, parang may ibon na tunog. Hindi namin alam yun kung bakit gano'n yung tunog. Pansin namin yun. That old Japanese vibe. Oh, see the dog. We're excited. Just walking around this place. Appreciating the architecture. They have like all of these like ramen shops, or is it ramen? NPC. Look at this. I'll do this NPC. This actually called the this is Yasui Komperago Shrine. It's a shrine. Kasanin Zakapa here. See? Very nice, oh. You're like in old Japan, or just crowded. Just maganda picture to na. There's the stairs. Sorry. Thank you. Sorry ka, sabi thank you. And sabi ng babae, ba't ka nagsuot na thank you? Sabi ng babae.
Bakit thank you kasi ano, pinag-stop ako. Parang hindi mahal.
Yeah, this is actually a nice place to take photos. No, I think they're just avoiding the people.
Yeah, close up. Like more like portrait. Me too.
Yeah, but there's a lot of people though. It's okay.
It's fine.
Way to this pagoda. It's quite nice.
Oh, we can go in actually.
Maganda so far dito. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga architecture, yung watch sa Netflix dito maganda. Yung mga documentary ng Ancient Japan. Ano Ancient Japan?
400 yen.
Yeah. So, let's walk. It's nice for Dylan, but
Yeah.
it's actually it could be nicer if there's less crowd.
Yeah, of course.
Right.
But then it's very touristy already.
And I think if we went early,
Maybe.
like we saw like some TikToks that they came here like 7 a.m. and it was
Oh,
like
yeah.
really no people.
But I think probably those people they like probably like either wake up very early to come here,
Or maybe they
or
live.
live around here.
Yeah.
They rent a guest house.
Yeah.
But it's really nice. It's like it's really putting into the traditional side of Japan.
Yeah, Japan, right?
Kyoto. This sweet sauce. Yeah.
Hello, just one here. Thank you.
Dango wa.
One. Okay. Tikman natin, guys. Let's
Okay.
film ourselves.
Taste us.
Taste kasi. Taste. I'll take the first bite. Oh, sorry. Oh.
Tatantan na. Ang init ah.
Mmm.
Okay.
Mochi with some caramel sauce.
Look at there's cheese inside as well. Is it?
Mochi.
There's more cheese.
Ang sarap, guys. Ang sarap. Sarap. Try. Dylan's gonna try it now. Yep. Nice, right? It's like I don't.
Interesting.
Then you appreciate like after some time.
Oh.
You wanna wipe this? Got like some. Nice. Okay, let's go. Hi guys, yan, naghahanap na kami ng kakainan on the way to the station, train station, because we wanna take that station anyway to the Fushimi Inari Shrine. I think this is their English. Oh, they're going.
Sorry, man.
It is their I think their special one recommendation, but you can get all those miso machine besides the roast pork. And guys, nandito na kami sa station. Nakabalik na kami sa Osaka. Now, we're checking into the hotel. Checking in sa hotel namin sa Hotel Sanrio. So, nandun pa kasi sa labas yung mga gamit namin. And then later, we'll go out to Donbori again to maybe have the dinner then buy some stuff. So, let's go. Yung pala guys, kalimutan ko sabihin na yung Suica card is gumagana dito sa Osaka. So I thought Icoca. Pero gumagana rin pala yung ano nito, Suica. So at least dun sa mga napuntahan namin, even mapuntang Kyoto, just using the train system dito, gumagana naman yung Suica. So yun. So kung meron kayong iPhone, pwede nyo siyang i-add dun sa wallet ninyo. And pwede siya top-upan online using your Apple Wallet. So kasi dito sa as of now, nandito kami ngayon sa recording ng video na to, ano, para sold out yung kanilang plastic card. So they're not able to issue new parang plastic card na Suica. Okay. Kaya sa namin yung luggage namin and mag-check in. I think we need to left. Yeah. siya. Yay! Okay. What's this for?
Hours ventilation. Then, for toilet.
Yeah, ito yung room namin for today. Ito yung room namin, guys. Okay, so we have the password here. Again, Japan's password ay napaka...
QR code na lang.
O parang ano. Hindi, ang haba nung mga complicated. Ganyan ba naman yung ano?
Oo.
Laging ganyan lang every time.
Ang ganda talaga pag hotel, no?
So, I don't know what's that button though. Ano tong button na to? 24-hour ventilation. Okay. Lights to. Ayan, so legal. Ayan ang ating room. Ang ating bathroom is just very humble. And enough for 3 people. Hello guys! So yan, nakapag-check-in na kami sa hotel and now we're off to dinner sa Dotonbori area. Ayan guys, dito kami sa Gyukaku and umulan. Tignan mo, as you can see. Hindi ko lang nakikita nyo. But we are drenched. Umulan. Lucky I didn't put his umbrella and I didn't, so I just relied on my water breaker jacket. Waterproof jacket. Right. Kain na kami. Sarap. Right, mapoy na.
Hey guys, so it's my last day here in Osaka, Japan.
What can you say about the food?
Good.
Out of
Craving-
5. What's your
Craving
rating out of
satisfied. I would say 4 out of 5.
4 out of 5.
Yeah, 4 out of 5. Yep, pretty good.
About you?
For me, ano siya, what I like about here is like more meat.
More
like
meat.
lean. So, I would do 4.8.
4.8. Wow. How about you? The yakiniku like before?
Yakiniku
The one
or
in
this
Tokyo.
one?
The one in Tokyo.
Oh no, I think I quite like that one a lot actually. Because that one, the marination is pretty good actually.
Really? How would you rate that?
That one I think I would rate 4.5.
Wow.
Yeah. But this marination is so good, and then some of the meat was thin. It was
It was thin, yeah.
Yeah, whereas this one,
More meaty, right?
yeah, more meaty. But it was more meaty, that's a plus point. But the marination, I don't know, I feel like that one is better.
For me, they're both the same. I really cannot judge. I feel like they have the same point for me. Because in Singapore we have yakiniku like how many? I think there's several yakiniku like in Singapore. So I kind of used to the taste. So in Singapore, the meat is also thin. Same in the Tokyo.
We have to choose one. This one or the Tokyo one?
I think I'll choose this one because more meaty, thicker meat. The yakiniku like their meat is not thick.
Yeah.
You notice right? It's like thin. Yeah. Okay guys, ayan, tapos kami kumain sa Gyukaku and now we just decided to like maybe just maglakad-lakad dito sa Dotonbori, kain-kain pa ng mga street food and bili-bili ng mga pasalubong. So titingin kami kung ano pa yung mga street food na pwedeng kainin. Bukas na kayo bibili rin sa mga pasalubong, yung mga chocolate, ganyan.
What do you call this?
Dango.
Dango.
By the way, they call it dango.
Dango.
So actually, I was
Dango.
figuring out what you call this thing.
What do you call
Actually
this?
called dango. Dango.
Dango.
So this is dango. Yes, this range of the takoyaki. How's the takoyaki? Is it nicer or which one's better?
I think I like that one.
Because that one's cheese. This one's cheese.
May cheese. This is cheese. I do have half.
Can you help me hold this and then I'll try?
Yeah.
Grab chopstick then.
No, it's okay. We'll try this dango first. Dango. Much softer, right?
Yeah.
What's dango actually?
Dango balls.
Yeah. Chicken's balls.
Well, how did they get it? How did they make this?
Mochi. No, rice flour.
Rice flour?
What's the difference?
This
What's
one,
the cheese?
cheese.
Oh, that's normal.
Yeah, no more.
It's hot. Oh.
Ikaw muna magawa.
Ako mo to.
Ayun, nandun na. Okay, kiss to kiss. Lips to lips.
Lips to lips.
Lips to lips.
Okay, you first. You.
Lips
You.
Lips to lips.
Oh, it's so hot. Oh.
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 That's good, right? So good.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Hot.
So vanilla. Vanilla.
Yeah.
Vanilla.
What the fuck?
Thank you.
Ay, sorry.
What the fuck?
Hindi, pakipamoy pa lang kasi.
What the fuck?
Okay. Beep. I don't want beep, beep, beep.
You have to like censor.
With the teeth.
Okay. Okay, judge the food. Hashtag judge the food.
So we'll try again.
Just very.
So this is melon pan, vanilla ice cream.
Just recommend.
You have to try it like this, hot and cold at the same time. Why? Why it's hot? The contrast of hot and cold.
So judge the food. What you waited for?
I will rate it like out of 5 will be 5.
4 out of 5 for me.
How about you?
What did you
Out
rate?
of 5. I rate with 4 out of 5.
Smells good.
Yeah, it's hot.
The quality is good as well. So I would give it overall 4.5.
Okay, that's almost perfect. Mine is almost perfect because I mean I compared to the Family Mart one.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It was not spicy. The Family Mart is not hot.
Yeah.
It's just
It's creamy ice cream. Ang creamy ng ice cream niya sa loob. And mainit yung melon pan. Ulit yung gusto ko eh. Ikaw ko try mo. 150 lang eh. Guys, ayan. Ice cream. Masarap yung ice cream, guys. Dylan, that's where we bought the meat, the Kobe beef there.
Oh, okay.
I mean the one with the white, what's that, tent or the other one? Doon namin binili guys yung Kobe beef kahapon, ang sarap. Kaya ito masarap. Guys, lasa siyang tsokolate na mga Kit Kat Toblerone ganon. Godiva na chocolate cremia. Here, oh, Dylan. This is what we tried yesterday. Hello guys, so yan, sir. This wraps up our day in Osaka. Sorry, we went to Kyoto today. Sorry, Kyoto, and it was really a fun day. And see you tomorrow, guys. We still have more videos to come.
A lot.
And Dylan won't join us tomorrow because he will be flying tomorrow already. So it's just me and Renz. Oh, stop. It's just me and Renz tomorrow. So thank you guys for joining and see you in the next vlog.
Bye.
Bye.